I am too excited to share my first time experience flying first person view drone with DJI Avata 2, a drone I just bought this week, completely butchering my New Year's resolution to not spend money on gadgets. But hey, life's short, right? I was all set to fly under clear blue skies, but of course the weekend hits and it's been pouring since morning. The forecast says it's gonna be wet all week, so I took my chance in the evening drizzle. Not ideal, but I just couldn't wait. Flying an FPV drone for the first time is both thrilling and terrifying. The goggles make you feel like you're actually in the air, and every little movement feels so intense. And with the rain, yeah, not exactly the perfect conditions. The footage isn't the best, but honestly, I was having too much fun to care. Even with the weather, the nerves, and my questionable financial decisions, I loved every second of this. And this is just the beginning. More flights, more adventures, and hopefully better weather next time, please. Hope you enjoyed it. Well, see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.